In this video, I'll show you how to fix contact name not showing on Android. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Open your phone setting, scroll down, tap on apps, tap on manage apps, search contact, tap on contacts, tap on storage, again tap on clear data, tap on clear cache. Clear cache data, it helps to fix contact name not showing problem on Android. Step 2. Tap on apps permission, allowed all contact apps permission. Allowed all apps permission, it helps to fix contact name not showing on Android. Step 3. Restart your device. Step 4. Open your contacts application. Follow all of the steps to fix contact name not showing on Android. Then you can solve this problem and show your contact name on your contacts. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.